स्टूडेंट्स तो स्टैंडर्ड एंगल्स हो गए अपने, राइट? नाउ आई नो यू विल बी थिंकिंग ये ट्रिग्नोमेट्री रेशियोज 30, 45 और 60 के हम तो जानते ही हैं, तो ये क्यों कर रहे हैं? ओके, देयर इज अ रीजन, प्लीज वेट. ओके, so now using definition find trigonometry ratios of 30, 45 and 60. Let's actually get this done separately. So here we are. Okay, right? So radius 1, right? And 30 डिग्री एंगल बोला है. So 30 डिग्री एंगल मैं कर लेता हूं, keeping your initial arm on the positive direction of x-axis. 30 डिग्री का ये हो जाएगा. So this will be the point. Radius is 1. This is the point, and we simply need to find out the x and y coordinates. That's all. और कुछ नहीं करना है. Okay. Now everyone, ये coordinates लाने के लिए अपने को ड्रॉप करना पड़ेगा परपेंडिकुलर. ओके, सो ON, राइट? ON is the perpendicular and ON is perpendicular to PN, right? Okay, now all beyond ये एंगल तो 30 है, ये हमने कंस्ट्रक्टिव ऐसे किया है. So can I say triangle ONP is a 30, 60, 90 triangle? Triangle ONP is a 30, 60, 90 triangle, and in a 30, 60, 90 triangle, in a 30, 60, 90 triangle, okay, I'm sure some of you all are actually aware of this property that I am writing down, but I am writing it down so that it benefits those people who are not aware also. Okay, in a 30, 60, 90 triangle, side opposite 30 degree angle is half the hypotenuse. And side opposite 60 degree angle is √3 by 2 times the hypotenuse. In a way, all अगर आप ये समझो तो sin 30 is half and sin 60 is √3 by 2 is the meaning implied. But let's not get into those details. Let us concentrate on what we are doing. Okay. So can I say ये 30 डिग्री है, और ये है r equal to 1, everyone. R equal to 1. So is it fair to say this dimension is the side opposite 60. Opposite 60 को √3 by 2 times hypotenuse बोला है. Hypotenuse is 1. So this must be √3 by 2 only. And side opposite 30 degree is half the hypotenuse. मतलब this should be half only. So can I say coordinates of P must be √3 by 2, 1 by 2. √3 by 2, 1 by 2. And ये अगर आ गया everyone, √3 by 2, 1 by 2, can I immediately write for you all here cos of 30? Again, cos of pi by 6 is x by r. Forget the r, it's just the x. And sin 30, all yours, is sin 30 is y by r, the y, that's it, 1 by 2. I hope all of you all are clear with what we talked about just now. what we talked about just now, absolutely fine, absolutely clear. Okay, then this one. Okay, so इसके लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा? इसके लिए ये look, can I say okay, so we've got the x-axis here and we will draw the 45-degree angle. The 45-degree angle. So draw the 45-degree angle all over all, and I understand this is the point P that you are interested in. Point P that you are interested in. So can I say ये point P the coordinates के लिए again shall we say this can be dropped down? You will drop it down, you will say this is 90 n. Okay, n. And shall I now say this triangle all is an isosceles right angle triangle. ये isosceles right angle triangle होगा, ये r equal to 1 ही है. Okay, isosceles right angle triangle हो गया, तो shall I say ये dimension और ये dimension same होगा. So if I take this as x, this will also be x. And I can use Pythagoras theorem. You will end up with understanding that both of these are 1 by root. Are 1 by root. Okay, which means P of coordinates is 1 by root 2, comma 1 by root 2. And therefore, I can say now conclusion क्या होगा? Cos of pi by 4. Cos of pi by 4 is 1 by root 2 and sin of pi by 4 is 1 by root 2 again, 1 by root 2 again. It's easy. It's very easy all. Okay, going by the definition looks pretty simple, straightforward. Okay, अच्छा 60 के लिए क्या करें? 60 के लिए भी all you all will think of a circle of radius 1, and you all will now draw an angle of measure 60 degree. This is the point P now that we are interested in. Okay, can I once again drop a perpendicular onto the x-axis? If I drop a perpendicular onto the x-axis, this is N, O and P. And now, once again, is it fair to say that we are looking at triangle OPN, which is a 30, 60, 90 triangle. Therefore, side opposite 30 degrees is half the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is 1. And side opposite 60 degree is root 3 by 2 times the hypotenuse. Which means, which means this is going to be half comma root 3 by 2. Half comma root 3 by 2. And in all fairness, can I now say cos of pi by 3, x by r, half, and sin of pi by 3, root 3 by 2, y by r. So I believe all acute angles सारे ही हो गए. Okay, now for the more important part, ये acute angles के तो सारे ratios तो तुम लोग को मालूम ही था. So you all were always aware of it. So nothing new. Alright, I am now going to be doing something new. Okay, something new. Now everyone, and I would want all of you all to logically think and answer. Okay, logically think and answer. Can I say, supposing I were to draw such that this is 30. Everyone, complete attention to what I am doing here. Okay, so supposing I draw an angle which is making 30 degree with the negative x direction. Actually speaking, all girls, can I now say this is the terminal arm for the angle whose measure is 150 degree. Whose measure is 150 degree. Actually, अगर मैंने आपसे 150 डिग्री एंगल ड्रॉ करने को बोला होता तो आप लोगों को ये ड्रॉ करना पड़ता, ये 150 डिग्री एंगल का, दिस इज द टर्मिनल आर्म फॉर 150 डिग्री, 150 डिग्री, बराबर. एंड एवरीवन, can I use my logical understanding, logical reasoning, okay, and the fact that this point will be the mirror image of this point, mirror image of this point. So I understand this point here must have its x coordinate as minus root 3 by 2 and comma the y coordinate wouldn't have changed. The y coordinate wouldn't have changed. Alright, look carefully, understand all of y'all. There is nothing that needs to be explained. It's up to your thinking. Okay, ये दोनों 30 डिग्री, दोनों 30 डिग्री. Okay, so do you understand by symmetry? ऐसे जाएंगे and ये पॉइंट करेंगे तो दोनों का ये डिस्टेंस सेम होगा and दोनों का ये डिस्टेंस भी सेम होगा. These will be on the same level, although it doesn't look at the same level in my figure, but I believe ये जो डिस्टेंस आपने ट्रैवल किया दोनों सेम ही होगा एंड ये ऊपर जो ट्रैवल किया दोनों सेम होगा. नाउ ये जो डिस्टेंस ट्रैवल किया है दिस इज इन ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन. सो ये पॉजिटिव रूट 3 by 2 हो गया, ये नेगेटिव रूट 3 by 2 हो गया. एंड ये जो ऊपर ट्रैवल किया ये हाफ है, ये भी ऊपर ही ट्रैवल किया, ये नीचे नहीं ना, ऊपर ही है. सो आई अंडरस्टैंड दिस विल बी हाफ itself. So we've got the coordinates of that point. You know what that means, huh? Everyone, you know what that means. What that means? That means that I am now in a position to actually write down cos of, alright, cos of phi by 150 degree. 150 degree means 5 times 30. 5 times 30. Cos phi by 6 is minus root 3 by 2. And sin phi by 6. Sin phi by 6 is y by r. Half. Sin phi by 6 is half. Paka, all. Okay. Actually now, everyone, can I say okay, can I say the same thing can be extended now, huh? Extended. Can we actually draw 30 degrees down and 30 degrees down? Actually, I wouldn't want any kind of confusion getting into your minds, all of yours. Okay? मैंने पहले क्या किया, वापस बोल रहा हूँ, मैंने पहले क्या किया, 30 डिग्री ड्रा किया, 30 degrees all over. Okay? Actually, I forgot to mention it to you all. After you had finished the 60, you all could have actually taken a pause and noted this down. Okay? मतलब using definition, find the trigonometric ratios of 30, 45, 60 लिख के you could have drawn the three figures. Okay? Once you had finished that, then probably you would have had to redraw this again. So that in the basic figure confusion नहीं है, ये clear है. Okay? Because ये coordinates कैसे लाया वो जानकारी आपको होनी चाहिए. Okay? So you all could have actually stopped the video after I finished 60 and drawn the three. Okay? And then just redraw this again with the 30 degree. क्योंकि इसके अंदर और बहुत सारा नया इंफॉर्मेशन आप ऐड करने वाले हैं. Okay? On the basis of these coordinates. only always of these coordinates. Okay, so shall I say, अब अगर मैंने 30 डिग्री इधर ड्रॉ किया थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट में, okay, shall I say that is actually a measure for 210 degree. कैसे 210 हो गया? 180 इधर तक हो गया एंड फिर 30 आप नीचे गए तो 180 plus 30 that is 210 degrees का हो गया. And can any one of you all predict the coordinates of this point? All of you all, coordinates of this point should be the same as this, okay, because this is now again symmetrically positioned. इधर से आपने सेम डिस्टेंस ट्रैवल किया होगा, इधर माइनस रूट 3/2 इसके लिए भी होना चाहिए माइनस रूट 3/2 एंड देन यू टेकन हाफ अप इंस्टेड ऑफ दैट. नाउ इट शुड बी हाफ डाउन है इसे माइनस, और इसका क्या होगा? ये इसका मिरर इमेज होगा. सो ये रूट 3/2 ऐसे गए एंड हाफ नीचे गए तो ये पॉइंट होगा रूट 3/2 कमा माइनस हाफ. एंड प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड ये जो एंगल है ये एंगल क्या होगा? या तो आप इसको -30 डिग्री लिखो या पूरा अगर लेके जा रहे हो तो कैन आई से दिस इज बेसिकली द टर्मिनल आर्म फॉर 330 डिग्री. ये टर्मिनल आर्म है फॉर 210 डिग्री. बराबर? ऑल ऑफ यू ऑल ओके. नाउ ऑल ऑफ यू ऑल 210 मतलब कितना हो गया? 210 मतलब हो गया cos 7π/6. cos 7π/6 is minus root 3/2 and sin 7π/6 is minus half. ये आ गया. एंड 330 मतलब 11 times 30 है ना. सो cos of 11π/6 is root 3/2 and sin of 11π/6 is minus half. 11π/6 could also have been replaced by minus π/6, minus π/6. So you would have got cos of minus π/6 is root 3/2, sin of minus π/6 is minus half. Now everyone, ये मैं क्यों बता के दे रहा हूं? Okay, I think on that page where you had the table, उसके नीचे एक बड़ा सा सर्कल ड्रॉ किया हुआ है. I think page 14 if I'm not mistaken. I just go get that copy. But I think page 14 all of you all बड़ा सा सर्कल है. और आप ध्यान से वो पेज और वो बड़ा सा सर्कल पे को देखो तो उन लोगों ने 30 के लिए ड्रॉ किया, 45 के लिए ड्रॉ किया, 60 के लिए ड्रॉ किया. देन एक्चुअली वो इमेजेस लाके they have drawn for all the others. They have drawn one 120, then 135, then 150. ये 150 हम लोग लेके आए. Then 180 हो गया, फिर 210, 225, 240. Similarly, these also in the fourth quadrant. That's how they have got that complete big circle constructed and the various values written down. Okay, and that's something that all of you all can actually do yourself. Okay, अब जब ये फिगर हो गया, ये फिगर में you all can draw 145 degree here, 145 degree here, and another 45 degree here. Okay, and coordinate इसका क्या होगा? इसका होगा -1/√2, 1/√2 because it's mirror image. Then इधर वाला क्या होगा? -1/√2, -1/√2 दोनों नेगेटिव. और इधर वाला क्या होगा? 1/√2, -1/√2. So I understand all of you all are now in a position to predict the coordinates on the basis of this only. 45 वाला जो ड्रॉ किया है उसके बेसिस पे आपको बाकी प्रेडिक्शन कर सकते हैं. एंड देन 60 इधर एक आएगा, फिर इधर एक आएगा, इधर एक आएगा, and that will give you the complete that circle thing clearly done. Is this very clear all of you? So now what I asked you to do in between, वो आप 30, 45, 60 होने के बाद जरा ये कर दो, pause the video and draw the three of them, and then draw this one and write down all the values also properly. Okay, 5 pi by 6, 7 pi by 6 and 11 pi by 6. ये करते हैं. Come on, quickly.